Hi, this is Avinash. I run a software development company here at Ranchi, Jharkhand. Uh, with the increasing demand of digital marketing from my existing client bases, propelled me to find an institute where I can get trained and set up my own team here at my company. Uh, then I came to know about the AADME Institute. They give us a very practical training to digital marketing. Actually, they help every aspect of digital marketing, whether it is Facebook ads, ad copies, Google ads, and all. Especially, I am always thankful to Alok Badatia sir, who gave a great support to build an agency and the mindset behind the agency building and everything related to digital marketing. I'm very thankful to them. Thank you.